Happy Sunday. We are GPS and Track, and we just had a recovery in Dallas, Texas. I'm drinking my coffee. This is what I don't get is how many companies actually pick up their phones on a Sunday with somebody that knows what they're talking about. I'm not talking about me. I'm not the guy that knows everything at all. I'm kind of dumb. But we do have a team that's way smarter than me. This Kubota got stolen this morning in Dallas. The customer got notified that was on the move because they have what we call after-hours alerts and geofencing, and they were able to contact the police right away. They needed some assistance from us. We're here. It just doesn't matter your bank, your credit card, who you deal with, who picks up the phone anymore. When you're talking about $50,000 worth of missing equipment, maybe you need to speak to somebody on the phone. It is Sunday. We're here drinking coffee, taking care of our customers, but we could see the exact location where they're trying to hide it. It wasn't taken that far, but like, how are you going to find this? So they were able to get a hold of the police. Police were able to, get a search warrant, go inside, recover the missing equipment. Obviously some theft. Some people are in some pretty big trouble, but this is the power of GPS tracking. Why wait till something goes missing? It's kind of like what we keep saying. You don't need us until you need us. We deal with theft every single day, and as the economy gets worse, theft goes higher. Are you truly insured? I have many questions about GPS tracking, but I wanted to show this. This is the power of our tracking devices.